Drones are a persistent threat to air bases that require free airspace for aircraft to take off and land. A network of Lizard360 sensors covers the airport and keeps track of drones in the airspace. The Lizard360 sensor covers airspace of 360 degrees and detects drones within 125 meters passively listening for drones. Once a drone is detected, the sensor notifies the control tower of the threat. Multiple systems are used for critical infrastructure protection. By introducing acoustic sensors in your C2 platform, it will be able to detect drones that might be invisible to other technologies like radar, vision, and RF-based surveillance equipment. We secure areas of importance. Power plants, prisons, and border crossings have shared interests in ensuring safety and stopping drones from trespassing. The Lizard360 sensor is a cost-effective solution for drone surveillance. The sensor system is highly scalable, highly redundant, and integrates easily into the C2 platform using encrypted communication protocols.